All right, a quick update on Velo. So Velodrome here, as you can see on the chart here on the outside, is going from the low to the high here. We're below that 618 here at the bottom of this box. We're below the much larger fib here at the 78616. So as long as we're below these, that pretty much puts on the table the 618 and the other 786 here at about 11. So as long as we're below this, we are inside this channel. We are getting stuck at this now as resistance at 14.5. And that could potentially tell us that the price is dropping about 19 to 20% down to 11 here, which we've been pointing that out for a while, that the prices can still be extremely bullish even if it comes all the way down here, and then at some point we have that breakout because we are in this very large descending channel. If we go out to the weekly, you could call it a very large bull flag, but ultimately it is a very bullish pattern, especially with the strong move up, and then we had the volume spike in, and that volume has since gone pretty much to zero here. So that's exactly what you want to see inside these patterns here. So until we get back over about 14.5 and then 16.2 here, I would say this thing's probably going to drop back down here. But right now the momentum is shifting up. You can see the stock R size curling up with a bullish cross there. We do have a green candle spawning in, so if it starts to break through this 14.5 area, this thing may start running. And also, depending on where you draw this measured move flagpole here, depending on if you put it on the breakout at the top or the bottom, it takes us up to the 1414 and the 1272 area here. Either one of those is going to get hit, in my opinion. So the move out of here, if it's today, if we break through that 14.5 level, we do have all these other levels to contend with. Let me go ahead and just clean the chart up really quick here to get this off so we can see it just a little bit better here. But ultimately, if we have the breakout soon, once we get over the 786 at 16, we could, spike all the way up to the top here again at, 26 for an 84% move. And then we have that 1272 potential target, a 234% move. And then that 1414 for about a 350% move up here to 63. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for on Velodrome here. What we would ideally like to see is this, if we break back above this line here, hit the 786, come back to the bottom of this green box and the 618 and the uptrend here, tag that as support, and then we move up. That would give you confirmation here of a breakout, and then this thing's going to go. But yeah, that's what I'm looking for on Velo here. I'm looking for a nice move to the upside here very soon. Well, I say very soon, but like I said, if we zoom out to the weekly here, let me get this back to where we can see it. If we zoom out to the weekly here, we could have another week or two to where this thing comes down for a week and it goes back up for a week, and then we have a breakout. So we'll see what happens. But ultimately, as long as you're above 11, you're going to stay in this bullish pattern. And as long as you're below this 16 area, you're not going anywhere quite yet. But it is still bullish here, long term. And with that being said, how high is Velo going to go? We can see we have a couple of targets up here. Once we blow out and get past the 1618 at 98, I am looking for Velo here. Let me go ahead and get my price range tool. And going from today, where we're right under that 618, if we continue to stay with that momentum going up, you can see that if we hit all the way up at about $4 on Velo, you're looking at about a 29x from today. And then if we hit 860 at the 2618 here, you're looking at a massive 62x on Velodrome. So not bad here for Velo, in my opinion. So with all that being said, hopefully that helped. None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.